Credit repair advice for recovery and renewal. The thought of credit can be very intimidating for some people who may not know as much about credit as they would like, but know how influential it can be when determining if someone will be approved for a loan or not. However, by reading the following article, you can learn some information that will help you. By paying your debt and bills on time, you show your creditors that you can be trusted. They will raise your credit limits accordingly, which has a beneficial effect on your credit report. This also allows you to manage your finances much more comfortably than with a low credit limit. Get out the scissors and cut up some of that plastic. If you have a lot of credit cards, limit yourself to 1 or 2 from now on. Having too much credit can actually be frowned upon by creditors and lower your credit score, especially if you use it all. Try to get negative items removed from your credit report. Not everyone knows this, but you can actually do this. You will have to call your creditor and ask them if they will work with you so you can get this debt taken care of. Ask them if they can remove the negative items from your report once it is paid. You should know you are eligible to receive your credit report for free each year from all 3 of the major credit reporting bureaus. You should be sure to take advantage of this and check all 3 of them. This way you will know what is negative on your credit report. An important tip to consider when working to repair your credit is to make sure you exhaust all resources before considering bankruptcy. This is important because bankruptcy will remain on your report for 10 years and is extremely hard to come back from. Always consult with a credit counselor beforehand. When you are working to repair your credit, be sure to check out your credit record at each of the 3 major credit bureaus: TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. Each credit bureau maintains their own independent records, and it is not unusual for each record to be a little different. It is essential to know what each bureau says about you, since you don't know which bureau a prospective creditor might be getting its information from. A wonderful way that you can achieve a good credit score is to never stop using credit. Be sure to use your credit cards as much as possible, provided that you can pay for them. By doing so, credit card companies will know that you have a good history of paying and will therefore give you a high credit rating. Make sure you read over the report your credit card company sends you every month. Check every charge on there to make sure you aren't being charged for something that you didn't purchase. Also, look to make sure they haven't accidentally applied any late fees if you haven't been late. When trying to repair your credit, you should avoid using store credit cards. These cards do not improve your credit score, even if you pay them off on time.